Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are safe and healthy. If you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to watch my previous videos on INBDE and NBDE Part 1 question series. So before I continue this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch every single video that I post on daily basis. And also don't forget to like, comment, share these videos with your friends if you like the content. So let's start. So as always, very few slides. First few slides will always provide you the answers to my previous videos, 10 unsolved questions, so please compare your answer if you have tried solving those. So moving to the next slide. And moving to the third one. Alright, so the last slide will always give you the next 10 unsolved questions. So please pause this video and spend some time to find answers to these. Like always, I will provide answers to all of these questions in the next video. So again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every single video. And don't forget to like, comment, share these videos with your friends if you like the content. Bye for now.